This is the story of Debby Middelkoop. As a child, I always said I don't want children because I don't want them to grow up in this world. It's not that I've been through so many bad things to know that. It was pure intuition. That's how I've always acted, on feeling and intuition. And when I didn't listen to it, I've learned my lessons from it. My real conscious awakening has been in 2009. At that time, I was briefly brought to a halt. I was out of balance of body and mind and I became very ill. In the search for a cure, I found out what happened to our diet and what regular care entails. Out of my own strength and with the help of nature, I ensured that I got a human existence again. When the news came from China, I was like, I keep a close eye on that. I also noticed that everything just went on air. No airport was closed and borders remained open. At that point, I knew enough. I just lived through my life in 2020 with relocations and refurbishing the house, and I didn't really get all the measures that were there at the time. In 2021, I really started to read up and join marches for freedom and especially for connection with people who feel the same way, which is much needed in a world that is turned upside down.